Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide, and in today's video we are going to be checking out the Anker PowerCore and PowerPort speed combo. So this power bank is a PD, power delivery, and it's got a 20,000 milliamp. It's got a 30 watt power delivery, so this will definitely charge your devices much faster than usual. It will work with your laptop, your tablet, and your smartphone devices. This power bank will actually work with your Fuji XT-3. This is one of the power bank that is highly recommended for that camera, which I am recording right now. And yeah, so it comes with a mesh bag right here, which is really awesome. And you have this high power wall adapter, which will charge your power bank really fast. And of course it comes with your Type-C cable right here. All right, so when it comes to charging this power bank from 0 to 100%, I was able to charge it within 3 hours and 16 minutes. So that's quite fast, guys. Usually with this capacity, 20,000 milliamp, it will usually take you roughly around 5 to 6 hours or even more than that. So this wall adapter here definitely does help to charge the power bank very quickly than your other standard power banks out there. And when it comes to charging your devices, I use this mostly to charge my smartphone devices and also with my X-T3 camera. With this, when it's fully charged, I was able to charge my smartphone devices. I've got two smartphone devices, the OnePlus 6T and the S9 Plus. So with that fully charged, I was able to charge my OnePlus 6T 3700 milliamp battery 2 times. It took me roughly around 2 hours and 19 minutes from 0 to 100%. And for my S9 Plus, I was able to charge 1 time and 74%. So the first charge, my S9 Plus, the 3500 milliamp battery, from 0 to 100%, I was able to charge it within 1 hour and 50 minutes. I still have enough battery on the power bank, so I was able to charge another round with the S9 Plus from 0 to 74%, and then the battery just completely died. So in total, I was able to charge my smartphone devices roughly around 3 times from 0 to 100%, and then another one from 0 to 74%. So not too bad of a power bank, guys. Not too bad. And it also charges those devices really quickly. When it comes to charging my my Fuji XT-3 battery straight to my camera with this cable here, Type-C cable, I was able to charge my Fuji XT-3 roughly around 1 hour and 49 minutes. So if you are gonna be using this to power up or charge your Fuji XT-3, you can do so, and that's how fast it will charge your camera. So that's pretty much it, guys. This thing is just super amazing. It is very lightweight, and it's just very slim profile. As you can see from here, I've got the Note 9. You see how small profile it is and how thin it is. Let me just grab my weight scale here, guys. I'll show you the weight so you guys have a better idea. The weight, we've got 217 grams, 216, and for the power bank, it's around 369 grams, but it is very, very lightweight, guys. Okay, so there is your port there. You got your USB power delivery right there. You've got your standard USB port with IQ. and you've got your power button on and off switch right there, and of course your LED power indicator on the top. On the back, it's just information about the power bank itself. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're interested with this product, once again, I'll put it on the link in the description below where you can get one. And if you have any further questions, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.